I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cloze on Anki. Cloze deletion is a powerful feature that helps you actively recall information by hiding specific parts of your notes. This method encourages deeper learning and better retention, making your study sessions more effective. It's perfect for memorizing facts, definitions, or even complex sentences. You can create many cards from just one note, saving you valuable time. To begin, open your Anki application and click the Add button, usually found at the top of the main window. This opens the Add Card dialog. Next, it's crucial to select the Cloze note type from the drop-down menu. This ensures Anki understands you want to create a Cloze deletion card. Finally, simply type or paste your desired text into the large text field. Now for the core step, applying the Cloze. Highlight the specific word or phrase you wish to hide for recall. Then click the Cloze button in the editor, or use the convenient keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+C on Windows or Command+Shift+C on Mac. Anki will automatically wrap your selected text in special tags, like C1 followed by 2 colons. You can even create multiple Cloze deletions within one note, such as C1 and C2. When you review your Cloze cards, Anki will present them with the hidden text covered, prompting you to recall the information. Simply click Show Answer to reveal the hidden part and check your memory. After reviewing, rate your recall using the 4 buttons. Again, hard, good, or easy. Remember, each individual Cloze deletion you create will generate its own separate review card, ensuring thorough practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.